Hey, good evening here, everybody. Just wanted to pop in a little bit and give you kind of an update on some stuff I've been working on. Uh, One of the things I wanted to share, and if you've seen my stuff on Instagram, you probably know, but I challenged myself, and I'm gonna try to do what I'm calling, it's probably a thing, I don't know, but I'm calling it a make a day. And if you check out my Instagram page, link. It's weird here-ish. Um, I'm trying to make something every day. Right? The only way you get better at making stuff is by doing it. And all too often, I find myself doing well, it's cold out, or well, it's late, or yeah. And so even if it's little, I'm just trying to do something. So you check out the Instagram. Some of the things you'll see on there is this little walnut pot. I had a video on that earlier. Made a little honey dipper. Let's see, day before yesterday, made some couple of these leather coffee sleeves, or they fit the glass tumbler beer glasses too, right? And so some of it's little stuff, and on the weekends when I have more time, I'll do something bigger. But yeah, it's trying to motivate myself, keep myself going, and so I'll make a day. And so far, I'm today would be 8 days running. So yeah, progress. So here's what I did today, and I'm hoping maybe tomorrow, maybe this weekend, I'll have time to do a little bit more detailed video on what I'm trying. But I'm turning this just plain old ordinary grocery bag, and in fact, in this first try, I even added in those little green bags that you get, like you put your vegetables in at the grocery store. Use those too, same plastic, but turning those into this solid, solid-ish, essentially high density polyethylene sheet. What am I going to use these for? I'm not sure yet. uh, but it's kind of cool. Basically, I just took a clothes iron, laid it out, and ironed it, and the different layers fuse. So, um, yeah. So keep an eye out. Video on this coming up soon. And yeah, check out the Instagram or the Facebook page. And uh, yeah, if you have some ideas for some quick makes that would be fun to try, let me know. It's been a fun challenge for me. So enjoy. Cheers. See you soon.